Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this really nice 2014 Hino 268 air ride air brake truck. It is a 25950 GVW truck, so it does come in under CDL. Before we jump into that walk around though, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time we put new product on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from. We go through, do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, brakes, tires, any discrepancies that are found. We run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's been done, we do QC, test drive, clean up, get them put online for our customers. On top of that 150-point check, this truck has had the engine oil filter replaced, fuel and air filters replaced, and this truck has been pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb into the truck, plenty of grab handles. We've got a nice air suspension captain's chair for the driver. We got a two-person bench, so you can have a crew of three. We got great outward visibility and pretty good upward visibility with the sloped hood. As we said, this is an air brake, air ride, air suspension truck. We've got the air conditioning, AM, FM, CD, radio, cruise control. The large mirrors are powered, so your driver can adjust the large mirrors from the driver's seat, which is a really nice safety option. And they're also heated, so if you got frost or water on them in the mornings, you can hit that and that'll help evaporate it off. This truck does have a reefer. We got the reefer control module here. It's a Thermo King 1080 with about 8,000 hours on it. It's been fully serviced, ready to go. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial vehicle. So when you buy a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. As we said, this particular truck is a reefer truck. It's got a Thermo King 1080 on it, 24-foot truck. This truck can go ground to dock, dock to ground, or dock to dock with this really nice 3,000-pound aluminum liftgate. Comes up all the way to the top, fits up like it should. As we said, this is a 24 102 reefer body. It's got the Chem-Lite insulated walls, floor and ceiling. We've got 2 rows of E-track that go up both sides. It's got the aluminum scuff that goes up all the way around, and it's got the nice aluminum floor in it. We've got a couple LED dome lights for those late afternoon early deliveries, so you guys can see what they're doing. This gate is power up and power down, so it's a lot smoother than a gate that just comes down on the flow of the fluid. A lot of people come into Industrial Power looking for delivery trucks. Some of them don't know what they need, some of them do. We have the smaller freight type trucks, the bigger 26-foot trucks. We are starting to get a lot more of the reefer trucks in. And even though this is a 2014 truck, this truck is really clean. We can still wrap this body and the cab, if you'd like, with your name, graphic design, and phone number, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. As we said, we got a really nice 2014 24-foot Hino 268 air ride air suspension truck with the Thermo 1080 on it, coming in at 25,950 GVW under CDL. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we put new product on. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the hood on this truck, get it started up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of just the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.